We will be using a recycled fruit styrofoam container. The bottom part will act as a basin, while the top portion will hold the cups. I have already made holes on the styrofoam. The styrofoam cups need to be at least 8 ounces. I find this size just right for growing lettuces and other greens. When selecting the kind of cups, choose those with a ridge on its mouth. This ridge will act as a stopper, preventing the cup from completely passing through the hole. Now we will use this small hand saw to make slits on the cups. This is how it's done. The finished cups with slits should look like this. Alternatively, you may buy hydroponic net cups. However, the styrofoam cups will work just as well at almost no cost at all, or a fraction of it. This is the hydroponic nutrients I'm using. This is in powder form. It has master blend, calcium nitrate, and magnesium sulfate or Epsom salt. The three water bowls we will use to dissolve the hydroponic nutrients, one for each of the bowl. Don't mix them all together in one bowl when dissolving. Dissolve each of the nutrients separately. We will be using purified water or any unchlorinated clean water. The hydroponic nutrients should be mixed with 5 gallons or around 20 liters of water. Fill each of the water bowl with the water from the bucket. Don't add more water. This is the Master Blend Hydroponic Nutrients. It's 41838 NPK. This is the calcium nitrate, and this is the Epsom salt. As I said, we need to dissolve the nutrients in separate containers. While the nutrients are dissolving, let's prepare the seedlings. Now that the nutrients have dissolved, we will mix it with the water in the bucket one by one, not all at once. Then thoroughly mix. Now we are ready to transplant the seedlings from the seed cells on the styrofoam cups. We will use the cocoa coir, or if you don't have it, the peat moss can also be used. Others use hydrotones. Where I am at, the cheapest option is the cocoa coir, so that's what I'm using. The process is just the same with how we transplant seedlings from one pot to the other. Once we are done transplanting, we will now prepare the fruit styrofoam boxes and line it with a garbage bag. The most common container that's used that I see in a lot of videos are plastic tote boxes, which can be an option, but my approach is the least cost possible with the same results. Thus, I am recycling these styrofoam boxes. It's cheaper and you're helping the environment as well. We will now line the box with the garbage bag so that it can hold the water where we will grow the greens. After lining the box with the garbage bag, we can now pour in the nutrients solution from the bucket. It's best to pour it slowly so you can make adjustments. The objective is to fill the box with just enough water that the cup's bottom is immersed by about a half centimeter or a centimeter or half an inch. Don't fill it to the top. Once you're comfortable with the level, check the other spots as well. Then slowly put the cups with the transplanted seedlings. Now we wait for this to grow. I have transplanted the first batch of lettuces about 2 weeks ago, and this is how they have grown since then.